Am I the only one that didn't know Mars has earthquakes? Well, sort of. NASA's InSight mission has been busy on the red planet and it's shaking things up, literally. These Marsquakes are our key to understanding what's beneath the surface. Since touching down in 2018, InSight has detected hundreds of these quakes. The biggest one? It was a magnitude 4.2 exclamation mark. Scientists are like detectives, using these quakes to gather clues about Mars' crust, mantle and core. They've discovered that Mars has a thinner crust than Earth and a surprisingly large core. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, Mars is shaking and we're learning. Want to know more about our neighboring planet? Hit that like button and stay curious.